Hello friends. Angel Broking is one of the largest retail broking house in India. The company has unique business model which helped them to gain market share in last 5 years, even when the traditional brokers were losing market share to the discount brokers. In this video, we will look at the IPO details, analyze the prospectus to understand the business and financial performance of IPO candidate Angel Broking. As per the offer document, the IPO size for Angel Broking is 600 crores. 300 crores will be raised via fresh issue and another 300 crores via offer for sale route. The promoters and financial investor IFC will be selling shares via OFS route. The issue will be open on 22nd September and closes on 24th September. The IPO dates will be clashing with CAMS and Chemcon IPO. So I will do a quick comparison of all the three in the end. The price band for IPO is fixed at 305 to 306 rupees. The minimum lot size for the IPO is 49 shares and a maximum of 13 lots can be applied under the retail category. The allocation for retail category is 35%. Coming to the business model, the Angel Broking has a unique business model. Angel Broking provides services like broking, advisory services, margin funding, loan against shares, and distribution of financial products, etc. While they offer all the services of a full-fledged broker, its brokerage plans are as low as of a discount broker like Zerodha. This unique position has helped Angel Broking to gain market share, while the traditional brokers lost the market share. Over the last 5 years, Angel Broking has improved the market share and currently is ranked 4th. Angel Broking's client acquisition was one of the fastest in the last quarter and was only behind Zerodha. While this shift has helped in doubling the number of operational client accounts for the period 2018 to 2020, the revenue from the brokerage income just grew in single-digit CAGR in the same period. As of FY20, the brokerage income accounted near 70% of revenue. The company has scaled down the ancillary services like margin funding and loan against shares. While this resulted in decrease in interest income, but this freed up a lot of capital leading to the improvement in balance sheet. Coming to the financials, the revenue was down at a 2% CAGR for the period 2018 to 2020. While the income from brokerage was slightly up, but interest income reduced almost by 1/3 because of scaling down of margin funding and loan against shares business. Profit before tax also reduced from 160 crores to 118 crores. Profit after tax is also down from 109 crores to 86.7 crores. The profit margin was also down from 14% to 11% in 2020. Looking at the balance sheet strength has improved in last 2 years due to the change in business mix. Cash and cash equivalent increased almost 3 times. The trade receivables and loans also reduced significantly due to the scaling down of margin funding and loan against shares business. Increase in investment and other financial assets is very positive. Coming to the liability, the trade payables has increased, but we can see very good improvement and it's very good to see the borrowings reducing by half. I will attach all the 3 financial statements so you can check in details little later. Looking at the cash flow statement, cash flow from operation was very volatile. In 2018, operating cash flow was negative, then posted a very good numbers in 2019 and 2020. But in Q1 FY21, it's negative again. Coming to the valuation and quick comparison with the peers, the issue is priced 26 times FY20 earnings. The valuation is in line with the peers and we can see the traditional brokers has a very weak financial performance in the last 3 years. As we have seen before, the IPO dates for Angel Broking, CAMS and Chemcon will overlap. This means the money deployed for one cannot be used for other. So let's do a very quick comparison of business. First, let's look the CAMS. CAMS is the largest registrar and transfer agency in India with 69% market share. The company is also number 2 player in e-insurance repository service with 39% market share. While CAMS is very good business, the company's growth was only single digit CAGR in last 3 years. Whereas Chemcon is a niche specialty chemical manufacturer making pharmaceutical chemicals and oil well completion chemicals. Chemcon is only manufacturer for its key products. The revenue and profits have seen a very good growth for the period 2018 to 2020. But one big issue for Chemcon is one of the promoters has been convicted by CBI court, and promoter group is also in litigation with SEBI for violation of takeover and insider trading regulations. Coming to Angel Broking, the company is one of the fastest growing large retail broker, but the financial performance was weak due to the tough competition. Also, previously the SEBI had fined Angel Broking for misutilization of client accounts. Now, let's compare the IPO details and grey market premium. The GMP for CAMS is Rs 355, which is near 30% premium to the issue price band of Rs 1229 to 1230. Comparing with Chemcon, the GMP is trading at big premium of Rs 235 versus the price band of Rs 338 to 340 rupees, which is at a premium of 70%. Early this week, the GMP was only in hundreds and it's increased to near 235 now. For Angel Broking, the GMP is trading at Rs 60 against the issue price of Rs 305 to 306, which is a 20% premium. And other thing to note is the Angel Broking GMP has seen activity only from yesterday. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and do share the channel with your friends. Thank you.